In this video, we're going to calculate numerical measures using Minitab 19. Numerical measures include things like the mean and median, other things that we're going to talk about later on that tell us some information about a data set. So as usual, what we need to do first is copy the data so that we can paste it into Minitab. Then we're going to go to Stat, Basic Statistics, and Display Descriptive Statistics. Now first, I need to select the column that contains the data that I want to calculate statistics about. In this case, that's column 1, and I put that in the variables box. Then I click on the Statistics button, and here's where I tell Minitab which statistics I want to see. Going back to my homework problem here, I can see that I want to calculate the mean, the median, and the mode. It's easiest if you can calculate them all at once, but you don't have to. You can always go back and calculate things again. So I'm going to uncheck all of the boxes except for mean, median, and mode. Then I click OK and click OK again. So it's telling me the mean, the median, and the mode, and how many, N for mode is how many there were with that specific mode. So going back to my homework problem, now what you want to pay attention to in these homework problems is how many decimal places you need to round the numbers to. This says to round the mean to 2 decimal places as needed. So the mean that they're giving me is 2.917. I would round that to 2.92. They also want the median rounded to 2 decimal places, so that would be 3.50. And now for the mode, there is a mode number of defects, and the mode is 4. Now, another thing that you might come across occasionally is that they ask you to round a number to a number of decimal places where you don't have enough digits displayed to actually round it that way. So for example, if they ask me to round the mean to 4 digits after the decimal point, I would not have enough information here to be able to do that. So what I would do in that case is click on the mean, so that it's highlighted in this light blue box, and then click on this drop-down arrow in the upper right corner. This is where I can change the number of decimal places that are displayed. So if I needed to see 4 digits after the decimal point, I would just click on 4 to change it so that it displays 4 digits after the decimal point. And that's how you display descriptive statistics in Minitab 19.